Guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, today our topic is ways to how to make money on Instagram. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos on it. Let's get started now. As one of the fastest growing social media platform, Instagram has quickly gained over 1 billion active users. Over the past few years, it evolved from a simple photo sharing app to powerful digital marketing tool that influencers and businesses of all sizes are using to reach their target audience. In this video, we will cover top strategies to start making money on Instagram this year. How to make money on Instagram. People can make big money on Instagram. The recent Hopper HQ report claims that Kylie Jenner is paid around $1.2 million for a single post on Instagram. Obviously, if you are not one of the world's most valued known celebrities, your estimated earning may vary depending on the following count: engagement, reputation, and more. In this video, we will cover the top way to make money on Instagram. Number one is to promote affiliate links. To make money with affiliate marketing, you need to join high-paying affiliate programs so that you can add affiliate links to your Instagram and make a commission on the sales you generate. As you can see from these sites, I bring over 80 thousand dollars per month, mostly from affiliate programs. Number two is sell physical digital products. Over the past few years, Instagram has turned into a strong sales generator for the right e-commerce store. Since people actually do use Instagram to discover and buy products, they roll out more business account features like in-app checkout, the shop button, product tags, and shoppable stickers to make the shopping process easier. Number three is publish sponsored posts. Influencer marketing is on its rising accounting. According to Social Toaster, 92% of individuals trust word of mouth recommendations. 76% of people say that they are more likely to trust content shared by common people that brands, and 82% of customers want to get referrals from friends before making a purchasing decision. Simply put, people seek out peers' recommendations, so it's no wonder more brands reach out to influencers to get shoutouts for their brand. Since users crave transparency to Instagram, influencers need to disclose sponsored posts according to the Federal Trade Commission guidelines. Number four is to become a brand ambassador. Sponsored posts work well on Instagram, but most companies want to establish long-term relationship with influencers, so they seek out brand ambassadors who can promote a company in a positive light or on a regular basis. Since Instagram is the most preferred channel for influencer marketing, it's a perfect place for users to find brand ambassador program and collaborate with companies to promote their product. Large brands also frequently send free products to influencers so they can view and promote them. Number five is to create a visual content for sale. It is no secret that Instagram is a visual platform. People upload 100 million of photos and videos daily. However, it is not enough for brands to upload overly polished professional photos for their product to stand out from the crowd. Modern customers crave authenticity, so they pay close attention to user-generated content. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, guys, please subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos on it. Let's get. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.